Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. Firstly, make sure that you turn on the Bluetooth. So open control panel and check it right here, enable it if you have it disabled. Now your earbuds should reconnect with your phone automatically, but here is a problem for Apple devices. We need to reconnect manually after we factory reset, after we turn on the Bluetooth. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds. But sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically also with Android device, so maybe you need to also enter to the Bluetooth or connected devices and tap on them to reconnect them, at least to try to do this. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect from the phone. As you can see, we have no connection, and after that you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically this time. But also sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically. As you can see, I have connection, but you can also try to tap on them. Now check if the soft reset didn't help you. We need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you also should put your earbud to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Open the lid. Inside the case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until you will see that the LED light blinking purple. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking blue. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this button. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list, and all you need to do is just tap on them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, no, I have one more solution to you, is to restart Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, on your iPhone, open settings, then we need to go to the general settings. Click at the general, scroll down, and right here at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click reset. In this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap at this line, then write your password. And click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the system, right? So scroll down, system, and right here at the top, at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at this line, then select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.